With moving right from clinical into commercial using the same facility, same operator, same equipment, there is no need for tech transfer. So the handoff that can be a hiccup as part of commercialization doesn't exist here at Alta Sciences. One of the roadblocks when starting a new project is that startup point. What we at Alta Sciences to be able to do is integrate with the client early on at the request for a proposal or the quotation process. And our quotations are actually fairly detailed. So we have that roadmap already ready to go. So when the client finally agrees to the terms and everything else, we're hitting the road running. We're ordering excipients. We're starting method validation, everything from the jump, where usually there's a gap in between for other organizations. That's something that's seamless here at Alta Sciences. Our systems have been built over the past decade, and with clients coming in auditing us 5 to 10 times a year, various regulatory agencies and quality professionals coming in and always keeping our standards moving higher and higher. We are able to see what different drug sponsors across multiple organizations are expecting and their expectations. So it raises our quality systems as we continue to grow. So that decade is a decade of continuous improvement. At Alta Sciences, we deal with many different drug sponsors. Those drug sponsors all have different needs. As such, here at Alta Sciences, our quality systems have to be flexible enough to deal with those customers' needs and make sure that at the end of the day, they have everything that they need for their clinical supply, for their regulatory filings. So we want to make sure that, again, our quality systems are flexible enough to meet their needs. It's not just executing a quotation, it's understanding exactly at the end of the day what finish looks like. There's a saying that you can take a person that has education and training, but they may not be the right person. But a person that is the right person can be trained and added the education. So here at Alta Sciences, that's what we look for. We look for the right people, people that are willing to work and learn and continue to grow. Our cross-training program, so everybody in the laboratory reads and understands what's going on in manufacturing by reading their SOPs. Same is true for manufacturing operators with what's going on in the laboratory. Because of that, they have a greater understanding of overall what's going on.